they are suffering with thyroid, all these things, sugar, all these things because of these pesticide uses, what food items we are taking, all these things.
It is not your first company. Many companies in India are doing this type of work.
That's what.
Yeah.
We do appreciate Coca-Cola is becoming socially responsible business, and I think they're going to come up with healthy
Sorry,
drinks
sir,
also.
I'm not here to discuss about my organization. I want to discuss about village organic.
Our village organic,
Village
yes.
organic,
Yeah.
because that is my responsibility.
Amma,
That's
we
okay.
were just, we understand.
No, because first we have got SMS on the mobile, so like this village organics form is doing this and that. We went there immediately by listening that concept. Immediately we have booked 3 plots immediately at Vikarabad. After that, without seeing all of my relatives and friends, 15 they have booked. Now also they don't know that where their land is. We have to show them. That's it. But the concept is good. So we have to encourage the concept. For the future generations, it is our selfishness. Because we want to, our future generations.
Absolutely, well
That's
said.
the reason. Thank you very much.
My name is Shashir. I'm working as senior manager stores in an electronic industry.
Which company, sir?
Kirti Industries Limited. We are manufacturing flexible PCBs.
You are a partner.
And your experience with Village Organics or Sri Agri Groups?
Very good. Very good organization. Thank you. Kirti madam.
Hi all, very good evening. I'm Kirti Ramprasad. I'm working at HSBC as an associate project manager. No clue about any village farming or organic farming. I was here for a year and a half back, and it's really good to see a very barren land going into greenery farm. So hoping that things would go on and years of farming would help us out to maintain this greenery.
We would, Kirti. Definitely. Thank you. Sir, thank you. It's individual contribution, not a group contribution.
We both work in HSBC, and frankly I think we have no clue about this harvesting or village organics or organic farming, anything. We just blindly believed in technology. And so far our experience is good. I think we came here almost 3 or 4 times, so it was good.
How do you find the changes, Ram? How do you find the changes?
Changes are good. I think the first time when we came, I think we saw only deserted land, barren land actually. But then I think Srinivas showed us the whole land. Then after that again we came here. Then we
Sir challenged me. It takes so many years to do.
I want to Jitendra with the economics. It was good experience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So visitors also can introduce ourselves. Yes, we are very busy. I know we are very busy, but in 2 minutes.
So, I'm her cousin, Kirti's cousin. So, I'm a team manager in Cognizant. My name is Srira. So, looking at this initiative, it's a very good initiative, very nice initiative, and with so many trees coming up, I mean, we have been discussing that, the road that we took actually, you see a lot of trees are being cut down, and it's a sad thing, and that in summers, trees getting cutting down doesn't make sense at all. But looking at this initiative, I want to definitely come back sometime afterwards and see the progress on this, and especially the kind of plantation that we are going on, mango, you said green gram, and then of course we have the main ingredient, the sandalwood, which is being put in. So I want to definitely come and see how does this shape up, and how these cottages and everything shape up, and then also the concept of all coming together and spending time with their families. I think that's the most interesting part. I think it will take 4 or 5 more years for that to happen. But if it happens anytime quicker than that, then nothing like it.
We would try it before that. Thank you. Well,
Hello everybody, my name is Rahman. I'm working for HCL Technologies as a project manager. Jeet was one of my team members. One fine evening he walks up to me after sending his resignation email saying that I want to quit. We worked together I think more than 4 years, I would say. We met in the largest software development company, I would say. So from there we moved from CA to HCL. It was a long transition. I was shocked, like what happened to him to make this decision. Maybe I thought he's not happy with the salary or he's waiting for some promotions and all that. Then he told me about this particular venture. I thought he's just giving me another reason to quit the company. Because as a manager, people only give some reasons. I thought maybe he's got some better opportunity, he wanted to quit, or he's getting some extra money or the big bucks. I thought, okay, it's your choice. Then finally, all of a sudden, he disappears. Right? He was still in contact with me. So one fine day, he calls me and says that, Raman, I started my own venture. I want you to visit and see that. Srinivas says that I'm the first person to come and see this particular land. So it was completely bad here. As most of the people said, it was in a very bad shape. I would say a lot of stones, a lot of unnecessary trees and all that, completely right place. So then these people are showing me some imaginary pictures of this, what is going to happen, what is going to happen, and we're going to do this. And then I thought, okay, maybe they're just trying to do something. I was not keen on that. So that's when at the end of the conversation they said that you need to enroll here. I was like, okay, he's selling me something. So finally I said, okay, since I'm the first person, alright, so register my name in your list. Then that's how it started. I think I forgot after that completely. After 4 months again he calls me and says that there are a couple of pictures which I uploaded on Facebook, please go through it. I just gave him the money. I didn't even know where my plot is, what is the number, nothing. I absolutely have no clue. But I think I did a very wise decision by registering my name with the organic. Now when I look back, because I decided that maybe after 45 years of my life, I'm going to take the farming. That's what I'm planning for. So my aim is to go back to farming because India's culture is agriculture and we are losing that. So I wanted, because today even my nephews and niece, when I ask them where do you get the milk from, they say chacha ki dukaan pe milega. They don't even know it comes from cow or milk. Chacha ki dukaan pe milega. So I think that disconnect is always there because we are going towards the technology and we're just cutting down the trees. Everything is happening. So I think it's a very, very good decision to have more people involved in the organic farming and retain agriculture. Thank you, Deep. Thank you for interviewing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
I'm Venu Kumar. I retired from UCI, director and I came into this. Actually, after this tournament, I worked for 1 year private. So I was sitting at home. And my second son happened to be colleague of our Qasim. They brought me into picture. And my son, he is in Chicago. So he also suddenly spoke about his organic and it was going on in mind. I suddenly came and talked to her and registered. And now I see the progress here. I also want to watch in Nicaragua. But I want to just see the progress. It's good.
How is your feeling?
It's good.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
Hello, good evening to all. Myself, Suri Kiran. I'm working as a team HR at MEL. It is located in Balanagar. First, I received the SMS from Jitendra. I want to inquire the concept personally. That's why I called to Jitendra and explained the concept. Later, I understood the concept, but practically it will happen or not. That time, not believe. This is the first time I visited the site and really confirmed myself. Really.
First registered owner. Yes.
First registered.
So, how is your first feel of when you are here?
It's good.
Manik is there. Yes.
Okay, you will listen a different story from me. I was a customer, took a major step, became an employee now. All my life, 13 years into BPO, I did see the success in the right sense, tasted it. Somewhere got satisfied or said let me do something else. But 2 years ago I was in touch with, I mean, as everybody talks to via SMS, and when you talk to him, he'll always say, read my questions and then talk to me. I was one of them. Then I was a member along with my friend. He's not there. Unfortunately, he was stuck with some other thing, so he would have been there. 2 years ago, we all came and saw this place. Never thought what will happen, but I only remembered I had 2 children. At least my children should not say my father didn't own anything. So I would say, I mean, after 15 years, city would expand. Something will happen, right? And somebody is saying me, above your land, somebody is going to give you something. So that's a bonus. I never calculated that. So that's my outlook of this place to come in. Obviously, there was a link for myself to connect to nature, do something. But I know I cannot do it myself. Somebody else is an SME in there. So till the point, I mean, this is the 3rd visit, I never had the doubt then, and I don't want to have a doubt in future also. So that's how it is. And
I just want to say something. Manik is not an employee, he's an associate. You are a senior associate.
So maybe along with Jeet, you will be seeing some of the communication coming from my side also.
Welcome to everybody. So when you are retired from your job and when you are quit your job, so we are here to you provide a job. Professionals know professionals from different all different areas. So there is a space for you. You can join.
I'm Prerna. I'm working in Infosys as a project manager. So about probably 2 or 3 years back, I received one SMS one night saying that interested in farming and all. Then immediately there was a website also given there. I just opened my laptop and then opened the website. And I went through all the details and I was so interested that by the time I completed reading the entire website, it was 4 a.m. in the morning. So then immediately after say probably 7 o'clock, I called the phone number which was given there. And Jeet had actually picked up the call and then we discussed a lot. And then afterwards, right from my childhood, I had interest in farming. But I had no clue, like no knowledge, no background, like what to do and all. Probably like even in my previous birth I was a farmer, I'm not sure, but somehow I had that interest. So I liked this concept very much and then immediately I asked him and went to come here and I visited the site.
Thanks very much. I still remember your early morning call.
Hi, good evening. This is Sadashiv. Same like one was what they are telling is like that. Same way I got the message, and after 2 days I rushed to the office and talked to the Jeetu. And what is this organic farming? Why actually I came from the agricultural family.
Yes, you have your own farm, right?
Yes, I have own farms. And what is this concept? I'm listening this the first time. I talked much, not only this Srinivas, I spoke to Srinivas and Nagaraj also sometimes, but you don't know aware of that. But at the time, I spoke to the Nagaraj also, he did not explain properly. Later I spoke to the Srinivas and Jeetu, they told me this, I am going to put in RFID technologies. Then the sandalwood is much, threats are going on, then how we are going to save that one. So many interactions was done through phone. And one more thing, they are doing some good things, not only in our community, they are doing others in some neighbor farmers also. That is the best approach. Digging the 20 meters long and supporting for the nearly 240 farmers. Here he is supporting only for the 40. He is going to without any expectation and any, they are going to provide much guidance. We have this Acharya and Srinivas, they are encouraging other farmers also. That is the great thing. And I want to share some more how they are going to do that. That thing till now I did not see and I don't know. And much, even after 3 years also I did not came this location. This is the first time I am coming. This is from my side and my side.
Anil, you go next.
Hi all, this is Anil. I'm working as a team lead in one of the MNC company. Actually, I didn't receive any kind of SMS from anybody, but interestingly, I found this 8 AM website with my browsing.
Hey, నేను చెప్పాను చెప్పు.
This is the second one. So then I contacted Jitendra along with my colleague. So we both did a lot of questions, and Jitu explained all the questions, a lot of patience, and we nearly met him almost 5 to 6 times before purchasing this land. But we didn't see this land, but only to clarify the doubts. Then I realized personally it is worth for my future and for my son's future also. But before that, I visited a lot of places around this Yadagiri Gutta places. Most of the saying like sandalwood cultivation. I don't know which one is better. But after visiting this site, I came to one conclusion. Okay, this is one of the best one. I personally am saying I look forward this site because of my making my money. It's not about the environment or something. But later I realized personally, I also contacted Jitu for stevia cultivation, lot of things. We both discussed on a lot of things. Then I personally got some interest on the environment side also. So based on that, I personally recommended my 4 to 5 colleagues. They also purchased this one. This is my turn.
Shravan Kumar Uppala. నేను ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎంప్లాయీ. నేను 2 years బ్యాక్ నాగరాజ్ సార్ దగ్గర మా ఫ్రెండ్ వర్క్ చేస్తాడు. సో అతని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇలా చెప్పాడు అనమాట, ఇలా అగ్రికల్చర్ చేస్తున్నారు వీళ్ళు అని చెప్పారు. నేను పెద్దగా ఏం ఆలోచించలేదు, నాకంటూ ఒక ల్యాండ్ కావాలనుకున్నాను. సో నాకు తగిన రేట్లో వస్తుంది, కొనుక్కుందాం అనుకున్నాను, కొనేసుకున్నాను. చెప్పారు నాకు 8 AM సైట్ ఉంది చూడమని. చూశాను, చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ పోస్ట్ చేశారు, వీళ్ళు చాలా ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేశారు. అంత వస్తుందో రాదో తెలీదు, బట్ వీళ్ళు ఏదో మంచి చేస్తున్నారు అనుకున్నాను. నేను పర్చేస్ చేశాను ల్యాండ్. ఇప్పుడు 2 years తర్వాత ఈరోజు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను, చూశాను, వీళ్ళు నిజంగా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను. సో నాతో పాటు మా ఫ్రెండ్ అర్జున్ రెడ్డి, తను ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ లేడు, యూఎస్లో ఉన్నాడు. తను కూడా అడిగాడు, తనకి వెబ్సైట్ షేర్ చేశాను నేను. సో వెబ్సైట్ చూసిన తర్వాత ప్రొజెక్షన్స్ తీసి పక్కన పెడితే వీళ్ళు ఒక మంచి చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు, మనం కూడా హెల్ప్ చేద్దాం, మనం కూడా ట్రై చేద్దాం, మనం కూడా పాలు పంచుకుందాం అనుకున్నారు. సో అతను కూడా ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశాడు. సో ఈరోజు వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ కూడా వచ్చారనమాట. వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ చూసి, ప్రోగ్రెస్ చూసి. సో హోప్ ఇట్ కంటిన్యూస్ ద సేమ్ వే ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఆల్సో. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Not way to start, but this concept was the platform actually. Sure. So because to come together all like-minded people and then we can work together.
Sure. ఇలాంటి లైక్ మైండెడ్ పీపుల్ అసోసియేషన్ ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చేయగలం. లేకపోతే మనం ఎంత టీం ఉన్నా కూడా 10 ఎకరాలు 20 ఎకరాలు 50 ఎకరాలు చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. ఇలాంటి అసోసియేషన్స్ కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది, చక్కగా మొత్తం దేశం అంతా చేసేది.
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది కానీ అసలు తెలియదు.
ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఫీల్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, అది అదృష్టం. ఇంకా మీ తర్వాత జనరేషన్ అలా ఉండదు.
జితేందర్ని డిస్టర్బ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ ఈయన ఉంటారు, సెకండ్ ఈయన.
నితిన్ సార్.
Yeah. Hello, I am Nitin Sangoi from Mumbai. Basically, I am chartered accountant, having my own practice since last 23 years in Mumbai, suburb called Vijayavia, near Ghatkopar suburb. Some 13-14 months back, in the month of January 2012, I was searching some land for one of my clients for solar project at my native place Kutch, Gujarat. So suddenly some flash came, sandalwood plantation near Hyderabad. So my colleague told, what is this sir coming? I said, you take the print, I will see later on. Then after 2 days, I had read it and I find very interesting.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Now you can find the data, what is the available data in throughout the world, you can find in his shelf about sandalwood. That much data he was collecting.
Yes, sir. Which all encouragement from Srinivas sir. And मैं ये समझता हूँ कि जो हमारे 5-6 डॉक्टर साहब से लेकर जो सब है, ये सब मैं उनको पिलर समझता हूँ. ये कंपनी के पिलर्स हैं हमारे. मैं अभी तक डॉक्टर साहब को मिला नहीं. मेरी एक पर्सनल ख्वाहिश है कि उनसे मिल के उनके आशीर्वाद लेना चाहता हूँ मैं. तो उसके बाद मैंने नेट पे सब इनके जो भी डिटेल्स रखी थी वो सब मैं स्टडी की. और मैंने कुछ स्टडी किया, डॉक्टर साहब के बारे में कुछ डिटेल मिला वो स्टडी किया, कुछ आर्टिकल्स थे उसको नेट से एक करके स्टडी किया। मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा और मुझे लगा कि ये कंसेप्ट अगर सही में सही जेन्युइन हो तो इट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल कंसेप्ट। आई थॉट इट फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ all of my investors and all of my customers also. So personally I had taken my interest, and on 23rd May 2012 I landed at Hyderabad with my two friends who is having knowledge of Telugu. I thought that there will be some language problem. So I first contacted one of my friends, then he has contacted some other person for Telugu this thing, conversation. After coming to Jeet sir, within 2 minutes everything was clear and Hindi and English is going on. Like that, this is my today's 13th visit. I can say almost every month I am visiting for some purpose or some other. I had purchased my own plot at Vikarabad. There were some what you can say, we have bottlenecks in this project. We have some bottlenecks in registering that document. Then for registering lease deed, we have all those bottlenecks. For that we have to come 3-4 times for that purpose only. And today actually I was planning some 15 days back for taking the photographs, actual photographs of plantation. In the month of January, end of January, it was not yet done. Only the drip irrigation and the solar fencing was completed. So I had taken those all photographs. And I had much interest, and with his good wishes, he has associated with me, and we have opened Mumbai franchise office for village organics. Under my name, Sacha Organics. Yeah, I had separate conference room. I had made it, and all infrastructure I had made there for 8 to 10 people can sit, and made the audio video, what you can say, film. Of our all projects, including this and Singur and Vikarabad, and I am sharing it with my customers. And slowly the business will come. And this office is, I told sir, it is your company's office only. It's not mine. Though personally it is in my name, but I had dedicated it office to village organics only. And with his good wishes and his good hand, on 14th of Feb, they have came to Mumbai. उनके आशीर्वाद से ऑफिस का ओपनिंग किया उन्होंने। बहुत बहुत उसके लिए मैं आपको आई एम वेरी मच काइंड फॉर यू।
G11 కాబట్టి నువ్వు చెప్పు G1 లో ఉన్నారు.
Today one of my friend also he also wanted to see what is the project. So I also brought him with me is Mr. Yogesh.
Okay.
He will explain his what is his experience. And at the end of the day I will say we are in safe hands. जैसा बच्चा होता है ना, माँ की गोद में बहुत ही मतलब सेफ होता है। और वो माँ चाहे 80 साल की हो जावे या 100 साल की हो जावे, बच्चा 50 साल का हो जावे या 80 साल का हो जावे, फिर भी वो माँ रहती है और बच्चा ही रहता है उसके लिए। वो कोई बड़ा नाम नहीं उसका होता है, उसके लिए वो बच्चा ही होता है। तो हम इनको ऐसा समझते हैं, ये 6 लोग हैं जो ये हमारे माता पिता हैं, हम इनके हैंड्स में, ये हमारे मदरहुड के हैंड्स में, वी आर इन सेफ हैंड, रियली वी आर इन सेफ हैंड. So nothing to worry. I had done my due diligence in my capacity as chartered accountant, and what the best I can do, I had done it first of all for myself, and implemented the thing to myself. I came across some bottlenecks for registration and lease deed registration. All things have been clear, and now I am doing the business for the customers and selling their this concept. And I like it very much. This is the thing. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Salita and I work for a shipping company called MOL as finance manager. Truly speaking, I really did. Most of you have got the SMSs, even I had got. So initially I got it was for 125 rupees or something. I thought, okay, fine. I've been listening to the real estate rates as 2,500 per SFT and all that. This 125 really didn't make any sense to me. But then I thought, okay, that's in my budget. Let me check it out, because whatever I'm going to invest is going to be a hard-earned money which I saved over the few years. Then in that investigation process itself, at that time Jeet was not there. I think the offices were being set up, so there was not right information coming out. So in that process of investigation, the price got hiked. And I really had to talk to them, how can you do this and all that. Finally Jeet came into the picture, and then he explained what all the concepts are all about. But truly speaking, only one thing I understood was that there is a helping hand going on between the employee section and the farmer section. Only one point which I understood from Jeet was, as farmers, they don't have land to cultivate. So you are going to be your middleman, where your hard-earned money, you would be investing for your future purpose, while the farmers get the benefit of cultivating the land. That point really interested me, and the future, returns you're going to get, yes, I thought my son's future was secured. So these 2 points pushed me to take it up, and as Srinivas had said, they are not pushing for any kind of installments. I'm a defaulter in a few months, but I would definitely pay it, as and when the money comes into my hand. But yes, they never called up to, asking us to pay the amount. In fact, when I could accumulate some amount, I told Jeet, do I pay the rest of the amount and get it registered? He said, you really want to do that? Installments are going on, let it go on till the time you're comfortably able to pay it. So that itself shows that they're not for money or pulling in customers into something which is not right. So this itself is enough. I didn't see the land. I don't know what is going on still. It still looks not very greenery for me. But I know one thing, that it's gonna be a big thing.
Actually, it is for your child. It is for your kid. He will see the whole thing how it's going on.
I said I don't see anything, but I know what I'm going to see. I can visualize how big it's gonna be.
Next year meeting, you can see.
I'm still ready to stay in the barren land. Thank you so much.